Yesterday we are discussing about some navigations,
Okay.
some personal profiles of any employee, what she
Okay.
can do it through his login.
Okay.
Okay, and one is important thing, that is creating the organization.
Okay.
And
What organization we created?
yeah,
What is that organization? What organization we created it?
yesterday we have created Hari September 3, SEP3 reorganization.
Okay. Okay. Apart from reorganization, what we created?
We also create manager in that reorganization. Also we modified the same for that same reorganization.
Under this reorganization, we have created department.
Okay. See, actually, we created supervisory organization, not a reorganization, and we created reorganization as well. Now, okay, let me ask you one more question. What is called a supervisory organization? What is called supervisory organization?
Supervisory organization is nothing but the group of peoples who are managing the team.
Okay, not managing the team. You will get managing the team and who are all under that team. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And one more question is, if I wanted to track what are all things happened on my supervisory organization, where I can go and see that. I wanted to see how many positions created, how many supervisory organizations created, what and all, whether I assigned a role or deleted a role, whatever the things I am performing in my supervisory organization, where I have to go and track it.
You need to go on action tab.
Okay. Under action tab, where I have to go?
You need to go in search engine and some prefix type like create supervisory organization like. You can find from there.
Okay. See, no, that is not the correct answer. If anyone can tell me the correct answer. Okay, let me give a very quick overview of our yesterday's class, then we'll move on to our today's class. Okay. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about our supervisory organization. Okay. And we discussed about reorganization. Now let's discuss what is a supervisory. We discussed these two in our yesterday's class. Okay, what is called a supervisory organization and what is the purpose of the supervisory organization is nothing but, okay, a group of people in the management hierarchy is nothing but a supervisory organization. Okay, let's take, you have a company, you will be having a CEO, you will be having a managing director, you will be having a project manager, or you will be having a sales marketing manager, right? So they will be having different organizations. Okay, and they will be owned. See, CEO is the owner for that particular department. Sales manager is the owner for the sales department. So in that way, they will be segregating it. Now, under CEO, you are getting vice president, assistant vice president, okay, managing director. They all will come under separate team. Okay, so and moreover, if he is in a managing role, that means he is in a supervisory role, someone who are reporting to him, each and every person will be contain a supervisory organization along as an employee profile. Okay, Now see, you have Logan McNeil. Okay, she is an employee. See here, Logan McNeil, you have two Logan McNeils. One is organization and one is employee. Under employee, you can see all her details. Under supervisory organization, you will see who are all members reporting to her. What are all the open positions are available under her organization. Okay, what are all the roles assigned to her. Okay, and what are all the security. See, she ABC recruiter. Okay. See, Logan McNeil, she is as a compensation partner, manager, okay, workforce planner, payroll interface partner. All this as a roles to her. Whatever, okay, approvals will to approve something, she will also get it, right? And this is the security groups. What are at stake? Her role is here compensation partner or administrator. If that role is not assigned to her in her security groups, she will not get, okay, so she'll get it, okay, to the approval, but she cannot approve it because she is not added to particular security group. The role is not added to the particular security group. Okay, so you will be understanding when we are coming to the security group, what is that role, how we have to assign to a person. Okay, how we have to create a security group, that and all will be clear picture when you are coming to a security groups. And organization assignments, this is a supervisory organization. Logan McNeil will be in one company, right? So what is her company, what is her cost center, under which region she hired. Okay, all these are called the organization assignments. In our today's class, or else if time not permits, in tomorrow's class we will see how we will be assigning company to an employee, cost center to an employee, and region to an employee. Okay, these are all the things. Yeah.
For yesterday, I have some questions. Can I ask?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, you are using that shortcut keys. That means you are typing in search engine something, Logan MC. Now currently you are typed. Yesterday you are create supervisory. That prefixes, you are expert, so you know all the prefixes. But we don't know what prefix uses for what actions taken.
See, Logan McNeil is an employee. I wanted to search for Vishwas. Okay, I wanted to see Vishwas is not available. I wanted to see an employee called Steve Morgan. I'll type his name.
Okay.
Okay, see, if you want to create a position, task, what you are planning to do, you want to create a position, right? No, create position. So that's what you don't know, right? So based on your practice only, you will get to know. Even everyone will be not knowing when we are new to a technology. Okay. That's why I am asking you to take a note, practice it. Every day I will be asking you questions. Okay, yes. So you have to create a supervisory organization. So what you have to do, what is your task? You have to create a supervisory organization. That is your task. So to create, what you'll do, you'll go here and you'll create your supervisory organization. Create supervisory organization. Now I got my task. I am giving reorganization. So when you start practicing it, when you keep on practicing it, you will get used to it. Then you will also become as an expert at our end of the session. Okay.
Okay. And any other way to got this all points?
Like to create a position, what you have to do, everything?
Yes.
No, actually. Okay.
Every when we perform every task, you need to use of that search engine and type some prefixes.
Everything is here only. If you wanted to view, See, now yesterday I viewed reorganization. See, reorganizations, I have a report. So I can view all the reorganizations. You wanted to create a reorganization. You wanted to edit your reorganization. Okay. If you click on reorganization, you will get all the reorganization on from starting to ending. I don't want from starting to ending. I'll give my date. So if you want to include, see, yesterday we created, this is the reorganization. I got it right? So to view it, to create it, what I'll do? Create. That on day one class, really everyone will not get it, what I have to use it. So that's why I'm telling you, please make a note of it, practice it, then you will also able to search for it. Okay, I want to create a position. What the task I have? Create a position. Okay, practicing will give you that experience and working will be giving you that experience.
Okay. My another question is that yesterday we create Hari September recognition. That is our main organization.
No, this is not our main organization. This is our reorganization. Okay.
So here already one organization is created. So after that we will create this reorganization for our use purpose.
No. You are totally misunderstanding. See, I wanted to create a top level organization. Let me explain you the organization structure. Someone can please mute your mics. Okay, now see, this is my organization. Okay, let me draw the diagram only. Okay, now let's see, I have a company. What is my company? Let's take my company is some Amazon. Okay, now I have a company called Amazon. Okay, this is my company. Now for this company, I'll be having my topmost CEO or chairman, right? So for each and every company, we'll be having it. Let me create that as well. I have chairman of this company. Let's take chairman is Vishwas. Okay. Now let me take, I have CEO under chairman. CEO. Okay. Now under CEO, let's take. Okay, let's take people under this. I have sales marketing manager. Okay, and I have financial marketing manager. After the IT development manager. So let's link HR admin, IT development manager is my structure. And okay, now he is a supervisory. He has all these subordinates. That means they are all under chairman. CEO will become as a direct subordinate. Sales marketing, financial marketing, HR, administrating, IT development manager, all these four are all indirect subordinates. They are directly reporting to CEO. CEO is directly reporting to chairman. These three are indirectly reporting to chairman. That's why I told you supervisory organization is nothing but group of members in a management hierarchy. See, chairman is the topmost supervisory organization. All these five are a group of people in that hierarchy because everyone are coming under him, right? So that's why I told you they are the group of members under the management hierarchy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now in this,
Yesterday, I think that first you created that Amazon, and after that you created a chairman. So, for example of yesterday, Hari September recognition, where we can put here in your diagram.
okay, remove that supervised organization. So I'll take this and then I'll create it. Remove the Amazon also for now. Okay, I'm just creating the organization. Later on, I will keep this chairman in my Amazon company. Okay, now they all belong to my Amazon company. Okay, so if you're going in bottom to top, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, remove. Okay, don't forget about yesterday. Don't just create it. So today, what I'll do, I'll create in this way. Okay, I'll use these names only. I'll not use any other names. I'll use these names. Then it will be easy for you to correlate with your diagram and your practical path. Remove. Don't think about Amazon now. This is your company. Just assume that you will be hiring in Amazon company. Okay. Remove it. Now see, I created all these supervisory organizations, right? I created CEO, I created 6 organizations I created. Okay. Now the organization level. This is my topmost chairman Vishwa organization. Okay. To track how many, to track it, you will go to the reorganization. Okay. Reorganization is only for tracking purpose. To see what and all is happening on the topmost supervisory organization level. Okay, because since it is a new one, it will take time for you. That's why I'm explaining 2 or 3 more times. Okay, just a small thing. Today you are going to some other place. Again, let's take you are hired in one organization. Today you went to one location. Tomorrow you went to one location. Day after tomorrow you are going to one location. So you are going to different locations on demand basis. So it has to be tracked, right? Where and all you are going it. So they will be having some system to track it. In the same way, what and all changes, what and all things, what and all tasks, what and all actions is happening on my topmost supervisory organization. To track it, I am using the reorganization. Is it clear now? Please make a note of it. If you are listening, again you will get the same kind of doubts for tomorrow. So please make a note of it. Okay, please try to not try, you should have to take your own notes. Is it clear now? What is a reorganization? What is a supervisory organization?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now these are the organizations. Okay, see, chairman is a role. In the chairman, I have to hire someone, right? I'll hire Vishwa. CEO as hire some other person. Let's give Venkat. Okay, so under sales marketing manager, let's take, I have 2 more. Let's take 2 more. So in this way, you'll be having many people under your topmost supervisory organization. So this is how you will be creating your organization structure. It's in this same way you will be creating your supervisory organization, subordinate organization. See, now you created supervisory organization. You created subordinate, but here we have a link, right? How to give that link in a practical way, right? You created supervisory, you created subordinate. So there should be link, right? Then only you can identify CEO is under chairman, sales marketing manager is under CEO. How to give that link in our tenant? Let me go and see that. Okay. Now, again, I'm creating an organization for you guys. Create Supervisory organization is my task. Okay, now what is your reorganization? I am thinking Amazon, my company is Amazon. So I will use with that name only, so it will be easy for you to remember it. Amazon reorganization. So from today, this should be applicable in my company. So 09042018. Click on OK. So this is my reorganization. Now under this reorganization, I am creating my supervisory organization. Amazon supervisory organization. Amazon chairman. Let's take Amazon chairman. Supervisory organization. Okay. Now if you want to include ID, you will check it here. Let me give some ideas. 0904. If you want to include that code in your name, just click it. If you want to include manager or leader, someone will be a manager for this organization, right? Who will be the managing? Who is the owner of this organization? Vishwas will be an owner. He is the manager. Okay, so I'll check it. And these are the subtypes. So what I will do, I will create the organization as a department wise. So that's what it will be easy for me, okay, to tracking purpose when I am creating a report. Suppose I wanted the people who are all belong to my sales team. So I can filter it out my department. Department is equal to finance. In that way I can filter it out. Or else you can give division. See, subtype is not a very mandatory. It has to be given this only. For cost center, it should be cost center. For pay group, it should be pay group. For each and everything, you can give anything. This is just for tracking purpose when you are creating the reports. Okay, let me give department. Now, visibility. I will think to take the visibility to everyone. 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry guys. So and what? See, my organization, that means, see, you are Vishwas is there. So he will be sitting and working in some location, right? So for now I will give New Jersey. So in we have our topics to create the location and everything. So I'll create the location and I will show you how I have to assign that location to my organization. Okay. Now go to your New Jersey. Okay. For now I'm giving it, since it's a mandatory field, I will give it. Okay. Now these are all the staffing models. And checking the position management enabled and roles. See, now I wanted to assign a role for this organization. What role I can give it? Let's take, I have a chairman. Okay, chairman is not available. Let me create a role. Okay, that will take so much of time. For now, okay, we have a concept here. So, see, we have a concept, roles and everything here. Okay, that's why I'm just creating. Now what I will do, I'll create an organization, I'll create a job, I'll create a family, I'll create a composition, everything I'll create it, security group, I'll create everything. Here is our process, hire. Then I'll hire chairman as Vishwas. Then we will apply each and everything to the Vishwas. Okay, up to that we will be taking what and all is available in our tenant. Then we will edit for Vishwas. So we will remove everything, what and all we have given default things, we will replace with Vishwas. Okay. So for now, let me take as a security partner. He is, okay, his role is security partner. So let me give Logan McNeil here. So Logan McNeil will be a security partner. Now, sorry, let me take it as a manager, because we have to include managers, right? Let me include manager as Logan McNeil. Now organization assignment. Now see, this is the supervisory organization and Logan McNeil is the manager for this organization. So Logan McNeil will be in under this organization. Where she sits and work. In which company, under what cost center she will get it, under which region, under which division, right? I have to mention all those details also, right? So here I'll create it. Now my company is Amazon. See, I didn't find any results. Why? Because I didn't created any company, right? So that's why I am not. So again I'll remove this role as well, but to show you some difference I'm adding it. So now this is not a mandatory field, let it leave. I'll assign it. Now go to your identifiers. These are all called the government IDs, what and all you'll be having for your company. Now let's click on OK. Now see here, 0904 Amazon Chairman Supervisory Organization SP00725, okay, is my supervisory organization. Okay, let me, I don't want 0904 SP0075, just want Amazon Supervisory Organization. So now I wanted to edit my, how you will go in? You will go to your supervisory organization, edit, name or code. So remove this. Now click on OK. So I don't want to include those. Okay. Now, what is your supervisory organization? Amazon Chairman Supervisory Organization. Now see, you don't have that 0904 S00725 in your name, right? We removed it. Why? Since I don't want it, I removed it. Now, this we have this bracket. Why it is? This is to include our manager. Okay, I have to assign a role. Go here and assign a role to him. give as a manager. What role I'm planning to assign? Manager. Who is my manager? For now I'm taking Steve Morgan. Anyone is fine. We will remove Steve Morgan as a manager, and then we will assign Vishwas when we started hiring him. So we have these many. Let me give Steve M is my manager. Click on OK. Once again, he is not under manager. Here is a manager. Maybe okay. You have two duplicates. Let me remove it. Go to roles, assign roles. Manager. Now add your role. I'll take CEO. Because I don't have chairman, I'm taking CEO. So let it be. We will create a role and then we will assign it. Okay. Done. Now see here, Steve Morgan is my manager to this organization. Why? Because I assigned a role as a manager. Okay, that's why if I am not assigning him as a manager and if I'm giving some other detail or some security partner or some other thing, I'll be not getting it. Because I just wanted to include only my manager name here. I don't wanted to include my security partner name or some other names. I wanted to include only my manager name. That's why I will include only the manager. Manager is someone who is managing that organization. Someone is owner for that organization. Okay, they will be calling. So that's why we will give the manager to that organization. Okay, now you don't want to see the manager name in the organization name also. Then what you will do? Supervisory organization, edit name or code. Remove this. Include manager, leader in name. Now click on OK. Now see here, what is your Amazon chairman supervisory organization is your organization name, right? If you check this, let me spell mistake it. Here it is I. Organization. Now I wanted to include it. Click on OK. Now you will see Steve Morgan. See, okay, this is how you will create your supervisory organization. Now what is your reorganization? Go here, reorganization. Let me track it. I wanted yesterday to today. Now click on OK. See, yesterday I created this one, today I created this one. Now go to your Amazon reorganization. Now see, so what you created the organization. Okay, so this is the activity step. What are all the organizations affected? Okay, and who created it? Logan McNeil on behalf of Maria, because this is a Maria login, but I proxied as a Logan McNeil. Okay, so see here, Amazon supervisory organization is my organization, but activity step, by whom this activity has happened? By Logan McNeil, right? That's why you are seeing Logan McNeil here. Okay, organization affected, because owner is the Logan McNeil only for this, because Logan McNeil is creating it. Okay, so if you have your own account, then you are creating it. Suppose Vishwas is having his own account, Workday account, he logged in with his name. When he is doing something, he will be the owner for that. Okay, if you wanted to change the owner, you can change it also. Okay, so in this way, you will get it. So this is my supervisory organization. Now, go to your diagram. Now, I created my chairman supervisory organization. Now, under chairman, who is there? CEO, right? So, CEO is reporting to chairman. So, he is an subordinate to the chairman. Okay, he is a subordinate to the chairman. How to create that subordinate? Go to your Amazon supervisory organization. I wanted to create a role called the option. Assign a superior, you can activate it. So these are all coming under reorganization options. Let me go and show you the reorganization options. Go to your related actions of the supervisory org. Okay, superior. Okay, what I'll give my organization name? Amazon CEO supervisory organization is my subordinate. Now, what would be the subtype? Department. Now, I'm not giving this location. Okay, let it be. Now, submit it. Okay. Now, see here. Amazon Chairman Supervisory Organization. For that, who is the subordinate? CEO. So, you are seeing this diagram correctly now? So, CEO is a subordinate to chairman. CEO is a subordinate to chairman, right? Correct? So, now see your chairman details. Go here. See it. So, availability date. From today it is available because I created it. And what is the type? What is the subtype? What is the code? It should be visible to everyone. Yes. And what is the subordinate? CEO. And what is the primary location? I gave New Jersey, right? Now go to your subordinate. Go to the details. Now see here. Availability date, type, department, top level is chairman, right? Anyhow, chairman is the top level, that's why. And who is the superior? For CEO, chairman is only superior. If you go and correlate it here, CEO is subordinate to chairman. So that means chairman is the superior to our CEO. Okay, that means he is the manager to CEO. That's why it is showing as a superior. Now what is the location? New Jersey. Did I give the location for my subordinate? No, right? It came it. How? Inherited. Inheritance concept. So it is inherited from my let me go to a diagram. Okay. Now I'll take here someone as HR. Okay, sales, right? Sales. Okay. In sales, I'll take pharma. Okay, in Amazon, right? I'll take like okay, e-sales. That means we have Amazon.in, right? So for that, I'll take it e-sales. The e-sales manager. Now he is under my sales marketing manager. Now, okay, let's assume sales marketing, what he has to leave that company. Okay, now he got terminated. Let's assume that he is no longer available in our organization. He terminated. Now Venkat is sales marketing manager. He thought he has to left the organization. He left. So he terminated. Now he is no longer available. Now to whom she has to report it? So CEO will become as an manager. He will inherit one level down and he will act as an supervisory to Swati until someone is coming and replacing that position. Now I have to hire someone into that position, right? Or else I have to give promotion to someone and have to keep it in my sales marketing manager position. So up to that, the position is vacant. No one is available as a sales manager. So in meanwhile, Swati will be reporting to the CEO. Automatically, he will inherit one level down. We no need to give it. Automatically, he will inherit it. That is called the inheritance concept. That is what, even for location also, we are seeing it. I didn't give the location, right? So it automatically inherited because it is in that management structure. Okay, it is in the management structure. That is called the inheritance concept. Okay, that is called the inheritance concept. See, again created. Okay, no need to worry from where these locations are coming. These are all the default locations which is available in tenant. I'm using it. We will use it. Go to the Amazon CEO. Now go to the details. See here. Now it has been changed under New Jersey. If you right, he should be obviously he will be in some location, right? Since the location is vacant, it is inherited from my top level. Okay, that is called the inheritance concept. Okay, are you clear? Tell me if you have any doubts.
No, madam.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now go here. You created your subordinate organization. Okay. Now what is called the matrix organization? Okay, what is called matrix organization? What is the matrix organization and why we are creating the matrix organization? Let me take one more example for you. Okay, now let's take I have finance manager. Okay, under he would be reporting here. Under this I have Philip Thomas. Okay, now he don't have any supervisory organization. That's why I make it as a square box. So he is an employee under e-finance manager. So who is e-finance manager? Let me give some other name also. If you want to give this. Okay, let's say John T. Now Philip is reporting to John T. Okay, now Philip is good at financial and he is good at sales also. So what CEO requested, please make Philip to work 50% on finance team and other 50% on sales team, since we have shortage of our resources. Okay, since I have shortage of resources, ask him to work for some time in this project as well. Okay, so you will be primary manager and primary organization will be e-finance manager, sales marketing manager if you are under sales marketing, or else if you are under e-sales manager. Okay, if you are working under Swati, e-sales manager will become as a matrix organization for you. Okay, e-sales manager will become as a matrix manager. That means that is a secondary organization for you. Why you are? Because when you are getting your performances, see, you are under this only, but you are working it here where it has been registering. How you are? Okay, he told you, but he'll be having lot of works. He might be forget, right? So, and one more thing is, if you are working here also, they have to show some billing on you, right? They will charge some amount from the customers. Since you are working for them, they will charge it, right? So how they will charge it? So for that, they will register you in that organization as well. So your primary organization will be e-finance manager. Your secondary organization will be e-sales manager. That is called the matrix organization. Okay, that is called the matrix organization. Got it? So in that matrix organization, you will be assigning a members. You will be assigning a members in that organization. Okay, let me create a matrix organization and I'll show you how to assign it as well. Now, create matrix organization is my task. Okay, now let's take my matrix organization. I'll take as e-sales manager as my 09042018. My matrix organization will be e-sales marketing manager. This is my name. And even for this also, manager will be there, right? Who is the manager for that? Swati is the manager, right? So for now, I'm not giving anyone. I'll give you later. Now, see, visibility, it has to be everyone. See, the owner is Logan McNeil. We are getting it. Instead of Logan McNeil, I want Maria should be a owner for that. I'll give it this one and click on OK. Now, see here, even for this also I'm seeing members, right? Now, how to assign a member to a matrix organization? Okay, how to assign a member to our matrix organization? Okay, now if you want to inactivate it, you will inactivate here. Okay, so I'll show you how to assign a members to your marketing manager group. Now go to one of the employee, because let's take John. Okay, John Chen is my employee. Okay, he is under finance administration. This is his organization. If you go here, go and see in members list, John Chen is available here, right? Now click on Johnson, go to the action, so go here, matrix assignments, I'm just viewing it. Assign a matrix organization. Let me go here. What is the date I'll give? Today is 09042018. So John Chen is my worker. So he is in my finance. I wanted to make him, okay, I wanted to make him to work in my sales also. So under Swati also he has to work it. Now click on OK. This is my math and submit it. You have John Chen here. Okay. Now why he is not? Let me refresh. Be up here. I have given 9-4, right? I'm in PDT. See, still it is 3 only for them. That's why it's not visible. We gave 4, right? When this time changes to day changes to 4, you will get it, because Workday tenant will run on EST timings. Okay. If you check PDT also, see here, even in PDT, September we gave September 4. I'll show you. Okay, or else when you are practicing it, see this e-sales manager marketing, then you will be able to see an employee here. Effective date is very important in our Workday. What effective date you are giving it, okay, that day only you can able to view or do anything. Suppose if you are giving effective date as 10th September, until 10th September you cannot able to, they will not visible here. Okay, you cannot able to view them as well. Okay, so that is the power of the effective date in our Workday tenant. Okay, are you clear about the reorganization, matrix organization, subordinate and supervisory organization? Have you seen the differences? What is the difference between matrix and what is the difference between supervisory and what is difference between reorganization?
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let me give you again a overview. Supervisory organization, there we can create a position. In matrix organization, we cannot create the position, and in reorganization also we cannot create the positions. Okay, matrix organization is a secondary organization for the people who are working in 2 different projects, and reorganization is to tracking purpose. If I'm creating any supervisory organization, what and all I created in that supervisory organization. Okay, to track it, I'm creating my reorganization. Okay, so subordinate is nothing but who are all available in the top level. Okay, who are all reporting to the top level supervisory organization is nothing but the subordinate organization. Okay, this is the difference between each and everything. In this way you have to create all the organizations as well. Okay, any other doubts you have? Any other doubts? So if you don't have any doubts, we can wind up our session. No, right?
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
uh, that Steve is our CEO.
Uh-huh.
That is correct, na?
Steve is chairman. CEO, I didn't give any name. That's why it is not showing any name.
Then Logan McNeil. Who is Logan McNeil?
Logan McNeil is the owner for that company, because who created that company? Who created that?
Partner.
It's not, you have your own account if you are owner for that. If you
Okay.
wanted to
Okay.
change it, you can change the owner. For
Okay.
Matrix organization, I changed it as a Steve, right? Instead of Logan McNeil.
Okay, madam.
That way you can change the owner also.
And matrix is nothing but the additional role of any employee.
Yes. If anyone is working on 2 different projects, to track it, they'll be under that matrix organization as well. Tomorrow I will show you,
Yes.
because now the time is 3 or date is 3 only. That's why he is not visible, because we gave 4th September. So tomorrow we will able to see him.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, right? Okay, let's find out about our locations and everything. Tomorrow, location, hierarchy, region, we have to assign to us. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Hello, Hari. Hello.
एग्जिट हो जाओ, बाद में देखते हैं। हेलो हेलो
Hello. हाँ.
8:15 तक टाइम है, बट कोई भी नहीं है वहाँ पे। चलो देखते फोन पे बात कर लेते उसको।
ठीक है, चलो आ जाओ, जल्दी आ जाओ।